we all hear the hype with AI, right? AI is the greatest thing. We're going to spend billions of dollars. We're building all these data centers. It's going to, solve all these problems. We all hear that. But what you're actually starting to see as AI is starting to make its way in are the failure rates. And I'll tell you, the failure rates in AI today for projects that are being implemented is about 82%. That's a shocking number for a lot of people, right? Because the promise of AI says that we're going to be able to do all these great things. But what people are realizing is that we can go and we can spend money on licensing, but how do we actualize the value out of that, right? How does it make us more efficient? How does it service our customers better? How does it lower our cost? People are having a difficult time with that. And I think it's because of these 5 items. Number 1, our data systems aren't usually very clean. Garbage in, garbage out, right? 2, we'll talk a little bit about our disconnected systems, but if you have every vendor coming to you and saying, we have an AI thing, right? You've got one, you've got one, you've got one, your CRM, your ERP, right? You've got Office 365. And by the way, none of them talk to each other. It's very difficult to actually get any investment, any return on that, right? Because it's all siloed. You're seeing very limited business context, meaning that people are using AI without really telling the AI what we expect, what the rules are, how we're going to use it, where we're not going to use it, and using something we call human in the loop, right? Meaning that we're going to use AI, but it will be verified, it will be checked by a human because we don't want to do things that are bad, right? Lack of governance, we talked a little bit about that. And then the last thing is really just no clear business objectives. We're all treating this like an experiment. And typically what I see that looks like is we buy 1 or 2 licenses, we give it to 2 guys or girls in the office, and we say, have at it. We check in 90 days, and we're like, how'd it go? And they're like, well, I was really busy, and I didn't get a chance to use it, and well, oh, it failed. Well, we weren't very deliberate about why were we bringing it in, what were our expectations, what did success look like, what were we going to do, who was going to be responsible for it, all of the things that you would typically do with any other technology. With AI, we aren't doing those things. Instead, what we're doing is we're just simply treating it like an experiment. And I think as a result, because of these 5 things, you're seeing such high failure rates.